This is what my sister does. Draw all day. She draws all day. My sister is at the store. Smile. See all his stuff is on the bed. Did you see that? Now I'm gonna be crying.